Hello there. Listen, I want to ask you something. When you drink water at home, do you drink directly from the tap with a glass, or you actually have got a filter, water filter over there? What did you say? You have a water filter. Okay, not only that you did put up a water filter, you have also written a contract, annual maintenance contract, an AMC. Wow, you're so health conscious because you want to drink pure healthy water. I just wanted to ask you one thing. Are you aware of the fact that you also have two filters in your body on both sides? From the day you were born, it is filtering your blood continuous basis. Not a single day it has taken any leave. If these filters, the two filters on both sides of your body, stops working for 2 to 3 days, you are going to die of uremia. You have understood. I'm talking about kidneys. Have you done an AMC about it? Annual maintenance contract? Are you checking your kidneys on a regular basis every year? No. How strange. You are concerned about your water filter, but the filter which is keeping you happy, you are not bothered. Hi, I'm Dr. Purnendu Roy. I'm a surgeon from Genesis Hospital. Today I'm going to talk about who will take care of annual maintenance contract of the different instruments and the machines that are functioning and keeping us alive, because we never think of anything as long as we don't have problems. Our head of the family, the burner in which she cooks, she uses a safety pin or something to clean all the openings of the burner, because with the oil and all other nasty things it should not get clogged. Now, let me give you examples in my own house or in most of my relatives and friends' place. The moment the maid comes and puts the Tulu pump on, immediately the head of the family starts screaming that don't put the pump for such a long time, the motor will burn. You're so concerned. Everybody takes care of the Tulu pump, because if this Tulu pump does not work, wow, what a disaster. Imagine early in the morning, you have gone for a very important job in the smallest room in your house, and you have successfully completed the act, and then you open the water tap and you suddenly realize Tulu pump is not working. It's a big mess in that situation. Have you ever thought about the little pump which is pumping 70 to 80 times per minute, hours after hours, days after days, years after years? When did you last check whether that pump is working all right or not? The company in which you work, in the interest of the company, all these top executives and important people every year need a regular basis annual health checkup. Isn't it sad that we don't realize we also do have important people in our family? And these people do require on a regular basis annual health checkup. So what are the things that usually to be checked on a regular basis? Hemogram. We need to check hemoglobin and the blood counts so that we know if there is anybody who is suffering from anemia. We need to check the blood sugar level, because don't forget, India has been declared as the diabetic capital of the whole world. And diabetes is this disease silently actually damaging the eyesight, diabetic retinopathy, damaging the kidneys, diabetic nephropathy. It damages the autonomic nervous system, also microvasculatures and the blood vessels. So, most of the people will give this excuse that I never felt any problems. I never had sugar. Did you ever go for a checkup? You need to check your blood urea and creatinine level to know whether your kidneys are functioning all right. You need to do an LFT, liver function test, to know whether your liver is functioning all right. You need to do a lipid profile, cholesterol and triglyceride, LDL and HDL, so that we know if your lipids are high, are they going to cause damage to your blood vessels in the form of atherosclerosis. You need to get a chest X-ray done. You need to get an ECG electrocardiogram done, and also you need to have an ultrasound of the abdomen to detect if there is any other problems. For every woman, the other things that are necessary is an examination and breast examinations and a pap smear. It used to be the highest cause of death from cancer for women in India, cancer cervix. Now, if a pap smear is done, cancer cervix is detected even before stage 1 in carcinoma in situ. Now, in our country, it's very sad that women won't even go to the doctor even when they have problem. So how are we going to get this concept of well women clinic? So what we are trying to do is that people should go for checkup. People should go and get all this testing done to find out whether all the machines are working fine, because the earlier you detect which machine is not working all right, the better you can mend it. If this makes sense, pull up your socks. Try and find out the important people in the family. Get them checked up. Genesis Hospital will do your executive health checkup. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. And please share it with your friends. We don't want anybody to suffer, because we want a disease-free world. So please go and get your health checked up. Thank you very much for watching.